God. Those my shoes?
They're yours.
Look at them. Wow, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Look brand new. Ah. Ah. Can I try the other one?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Man. How'd you do that? Well, finally here, folks. Got my shoes. Just finished them up, and they're brand spanking new, looking fresh. These IPaths, I got a history, man. 15 years ago, bought these. Got through the end of high school and college and organic agriculture and all sorts of memories. All those pale in comparison. I met my wife in these shoes. These were on in the delivery room for my 2 kids, and got another bunch of memories coming in. And so yeah, thank you, onnour. Thank you, my wife. Also hard work that she put in. She had a real blast doing it, and look forward to more projects. And thanks to all of you for following and being patient with her, and all the love in the comment section. And thanks to all those haters too, because that was pretty entertaining. So, well, take care, everybody. I love you. Peace.
All right, everybody wants to know how they feel.
Well, they feel like brand spanking new. I said it before, I'll say it again. I had my first day at work with these shoes. I'm at a farm, but we put on a little lunch for about a dozen people, and started shopping about 7 o'clock this morning. Noon came around, a bunch of people came for lunch, did the dishes, did cleanup. Here I am now, it's 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and my feet feel great. I feel like they feel better than they did actually before I put these shoes on. I don't know if that's, maybe it's just in my mind, but these shoes are absolutely amazing, and I have my wife to thank for all of it. Maybe at one point I might have said thank you all, or no, I said we did it. It was we, like you and I did it. Obviously she did all the work, but we made it. to the completion of these shoes, and boy, oh boy, do they feel nice. I'm just so happy.